In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn on an Android device. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy, secure your internet connection, or access geo-restricted content, setting up Nordvpn on your Android can provide a seamless and secure browsing experience. So let's dive right into it and get you connected in no time. First, the process begins by heading to the official Nordvpn website. Open your preferred web browser on your Android device and navigate to the Nordvpn download page. It's always best to download the application directly from their official site to ensure security and authenticity. When you land on the page, you'll notice a range of available options, but for now let's focus on logging in. Once you're on the download page, look for the login button, usually situated at the upper corner. Click on it to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials if you have an account. In case you don't have one yet, take a moment to register and set up your account. Remember, it's essential to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself in the account overview dashboard. From this section, you can manage your account details, subscriptions, and also access your download options. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. Next, look for the Download tab. Clicking on it will take you to a new page showcasing a variety of VPN solutions for different platforms. Here, it's crucial to choose the solution that's specifically designed for mobile devices. After all, we're setting up the VPN on an Android phone. Once you've selected the mobile VPN solution, the next step is to focus on Android support. Click on the Android option, which aligns perfectly with our goal of setting up NordVPN on your device. This ensures the application is optimized for your OS, providing you with the best performance and security. Lastly, you'll need to click on Get Mobile App. This action will redirect you to the Google Play Store, where you can download and install the NordVPN app directly onto your Android device. Once the download is complete, open the app and log in with your account credentials. You'll now have access to a wide array of servers across the globe, ensuring a safe and unrestricted browsing experience. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully set up NordVPN on your Android device. Now you can browse the internet securely and privately with peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tutorials. Enjoy safe browsing.